Grouping. Format style logging messages in Sentry. I use Sentry handler from raven.handlers.logging to track any logs of higher level within Sentry. My logging messages are dynamically populated with custom content with .format, so the text message itself doesn't necessarily always have the same content. For example, all good, only this causes every unique message to be considered as a unique warning, which of course isn't true. There is a nice QA covering this very problem on GitHub, but the solution provided there only applies to the strings, formatted with old-fashioned %s style. Does anybody know how to implement proper Sentry message grouping, aggregating, without having to redesign string formatting from format back to %s placeholders?
Now you can, this URL. The gist is to use a formatter with style equals.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.